I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're going to be playing with some new palettes as well as a bronzer that I found at my local Forever 21. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I'm sure you already saw it on the title, we're playing with this Cheetos X Riley Rose Cosmetics palette, and this is something that I found at my Forever 21, and it came with a highlighter bronzer as well as some glosses, and I'll put a picture of those. I just wasn't really interested in those. Let me tell you the prices. This one retails for $15.99. It comes in a little case, and this is it here. It comes with a mirror on the inside, and these are the shades that we're going to be working with today. Really beautiful. Definitely has the hot Cheeto colors. Really nice, like nice quality. I really like this one. Next palette is the Cheeto Extra Hot Flaming Hot Highlighter Bronzer. This one also has a sleeve, and as well as like that cardboard packaging. It comes with the mirror as well, and this is it. As you can see, it has like a red, a yellow, and orange. When you swatch it, it does like turn into a bronzy tone. This one retails for $9.99. And the glosses, I'll put a picture of them. They retail for $12.99. They just didn't really call out to me. I was gonna get them, but I have so many glosses. I haven't even been into gloss that much lately, so we're just not gonna do that. I do have a gloss here by Flesh, and we're just gonna do that later. Not really a review, it's just kind of like a first impressions. I do want to swatch this palette, so let's start off with the yellow. So these are the swatches. I wasn't really impressed by the yellow in here. The orange and the red are nice. I really like this deep shimmer and that shimmer right there, but we'll see how they perform on the eyes. And next we're gonna go into this highlighter bronzer, and I'm just gonna swirl my finger around in here, and it does create this like bronzer tone, and it's really pigmented. Okay, so depending on where you put your brush or your finger, it does have different shades. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this AOA Perfect eyeshadow primer. This is one that I got in a recent giveaway that I won, and that video, if it's up already, I'll put a picture of the thumbnail and have it linked down below. Okay, so we're gonna try a different technique today. I'm gonna take some of these brushes from YL Cosmetics. I really love them. Taking that yellow shade and going in. Ooh. Here. This is not the most pigmented yellow. I never really play with yellow, but not that pigmented. I'm not really liking this yellow. Same brush, we're going into that orange shade. One's much more pigmented. Same brush, going into the red. I've never done this eyeshadow style, but I always see people doing it, so I kind of want to try it. Okay, so now that I kind of blended it out, I kind of intensified the shades a bit. I'm gonna go and cut the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go back and kind of intensify those shades a bit. Like going from light to like medium to dark on the lid. Taking that yellow shimmer. First, no, like, I'm not gonna spray it just yet, just to see how, oh wow, it's sticking really well. Oh, the concealer is really helping it. It's really shimmery. I didn't even spray it. Next, going into that bronzy, orangey tone right here. Same brush. No spraying either. Going into that deep shade right here. Okay, I'm just taking that deep shade and going over the concealer to create like a liner. I am going to the dentist after this, so it's gonna be an interesting look. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've done all of that, I'm gonna go into this, the highlight bronzer. I'm not gonna use it as a highlight, but I already kind of bronzed my cheeks using the Wet n Wild palette, but I do want to dip in and kind of use it as a topper. Kind of seeing some red on my forehead. All right. Get my hair. It's getting on my nerves. Oh, it definitely looks red on my forehead. Yeah. So this is not really an item that I would recommend. I kind of knew it too, but I felt like if I kind of mixed everything together, when you do it with your finger, it does turn bronzy, but it's like an orange bronze. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling I have red on my forehead, so I'm not really a big fan of this. I'm just gonna take my powder brush and go over that. Now going in with some blush. This Celavi blush trio. It kind of reminds me of the ABH blush trio, right? It comes with like shades similar to this. And I'm also going to use my Master Chrome highlighter, and this one's in Molten Gold 100, just because it's like an orangey gold. Middle shade, just because it's so pretty and it reminds me of hot Cheetos. Let me know what your favorite hot Cheetos are. I love hot Cheeto puffs at the moment. I used to be a big fan of just a regular flaming hot Cheetos. Yeah, but right now I'm in love with hot Cheeto puffs. Okay, so the lashes are on. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and this one's in Relentless Red. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go in with some Too Faced Melted Matte, and this one's in Lady Balls. And then take some of this YL Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sexy. I really didn't do. Oh yeah, I made a little orangey. I'm just gonna take some Flesh Gloss, and this one's in Hot Sauce, or is this Hot Sauce Gloss brush. I'm just gonna go back and kind of intensify the red. I feel like it kind of disappeared. I want you to be present. Red is like the important aspect of Cheetos. Okay, going in with some setting spray. Okay, so this is the final look here. I used every single shade in the palette here. So all of this is on my eyes right now. Okay, now that everything's done, I did add some liner to the top of the lashes just to kind of blend them into my lash line a little better. And so as for the palette, I really do, and I did enjoy the shadow quality. I really like that the shimmers really packed a punch even though I didn't wet them at all. I was able to use all the shades in this palette for a look. I did put the little sleeve back on because I wanted to show you guys the back. The back does have like the ingredients whereas the palette itself doesn't. So just in case you guys only find the palette if you want it and it doesn't have the packaging, you guys could come back to this video and look at the ingredients. And this is the packaging up close. You take off the sleeve. So for the palette, I do recommend it. It does cost $15.99, so if you don't want to spend that much, then maybe wait, because Forever 21 is always having sales, and as you guys know, a lot of the locations are actually closing. As for this one here, I wasn't a really big fan of it, but if you did want to pick it up, this is the information here. This retail for $9.99, so if you are interested in this one, it's cheaper. If you like kind of more red toned face bronzer situations, shimmer bronzers, then you might like this. I wasn't a big fan of this. It wasn't that much, so I'm okay with it. And for the up close, so like I said, I recommend the palette if you just want to collect it. You love hot Cheetos, then go ahead. It's really good quality. I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna keep using it. As for this one, I kind of wish that I didn't purchase it, but I did want to try it out for you guys and show you guys the swatch and everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I used on my face, whether if I showed it in the video or not, it's gonna be down below, all the names of the prices, as well as a link. I'll try to find a link to these products and I'll have them down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase them, as well as some videos from last week if you want to give those a watch. They're down there in the description box below. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday, so if you're interested in sticking around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high-end. If you're interested in following me there, it would be amazing to have you. And it would be incredible if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to tell me your favorite Cheetos down below. Mine's are hot Cheeto Puffs. I'm interested in seeing what you guys like. Bye.